Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what steps you can take if you're getting an access denied error while trying to run an installer in your PC. So this access denied error could be because of a variety of reasons, and one of the most common reason is because of lacking special privileges in your user account. So for that purpose, what you can do is you can switch your account to a one that has more privileges or to an admin account. In case you do not want to do that, then there is a simple way also to do these things. So let us just see. So for this, I'm first going to bring up the installer. So it is in the downloads folder. So for that, I'm going directly to the downloads folder in my PC. And once I'm here, so this is the installer that I want to run. So what do is just I right click over here and click on run as administrator. If it asks for permission, just click on yes and then wait for a few seconds till the installer starts running. And that's how you solve this issue, the access denied issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.